G'day guys, how you going? And welcome to what I'm going to call the new year, new me, because we're starting full time with Dowell towing. Now this video was meant to start with can't make up my mind whether I want to do produce with pickering or machinery stuff with Dowell. So we're going to have a combination of the two with an A trailer of produce and a B trailer with a container. But didn't that change very quickly with Corey getting the forklift off? He ducked over here while I was getting ready to pull out the container for me and move that green fellow over there, and she was just that little bit too soft underground that you're sitting on your guts, son. Good start. So that's what I got to live up to for this year. But this shouldn't be too bad, should it?
No, it'll come out easy.
It'll come out. There's bugger all weight in that container, and lucky enough with the old super tilt here, we do have the winches, and that we'll be able to pull this out, hopefully without any problems. So, what do you reckon? You jump on the fork, I'll play with the handles, and...
Now that I found first gear, it's actually coming back further.
I swear to God, if this thing just comes out by itself...
I don't know, it's not dead.
Yeah, I know, she's down.
Yeah.
She's on her diffs, or on her belly, whatever. Alright, let's go pull her out, eh? Then we'll get the container on, we'll hook onto an A trailer, and we'll make our way up to Brisbane and poke about up there for a few days. Alright, let's do it. When there's a will, there's a way, eh?
Yeah. Super tilt, didn't do anything.
Didn't come out as easy as what we'd like, but the thing is too, you would have seen the box still on the tines, and the issue is couldn't actually pull it out, so it did have to still sit on there, but there's absolutely bugger all in there, so it didn't really make too much of a difference really at the end of the day. Yeah. And then actually being able to plonk it down on the ground, I was able to pull out a little bit better, so by lifting the front wheels off. So, alright, that's phase one done. Get the box on there and go hook onto an A trailer, eh? And we just, it's just nice, easy one to Brisbane, and yeah, we just made it hard for ourselves, didn't we? Alright, let's keep going. Want me to put some pins in for you? Rightio. Yeah. That's that one. Yep. One. Yep. There you go. 4 pins locked in, ready to go.